Hello viewers, a lot of users are actually in confusion whether they should buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 AP Plus or they should buy iPad 10th generation in 2024. These two tablets are similarly priced in offers, so a lot of users actually want to know which is the best tablet in their segment. Under the price bracket of 30,000 rupees, there are many tablets that you can buy, but you have to select your priorities. You cannot choose one tablet that will be best for you because many tablets has many good features, but none of them are the best in all segments. Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus is a very good tablet if you want to consume a lot of multimedia contents, as it comes with 12.4 inches LCD display. The display quality is also excellent. This is not an AMOLED one. The note taking experience on this tablet is equally good, and also the large battery will give enough juice and it will last around 10 hours plus on a single charge. On the other hand, iPad 10th generation is also very good in terms of processor and the display quality and the portability of this tablet. The only problem with this tablet is the storage, as it comes with only 64 GB of internal storage for the base version. A lot of users will not choose this tablet due to sort of storage. On the contrary, you can add SD card and also you will get 128 GB of base version with Tab S9 FE Plus. So storage problem is not there in this tablet, but the processor in this tablet is not so good enough. You will get Exynos 1380 processor, which is not comparable to iPad 10th generation's A14 Bionic chipset. Tab S9 FE Plus is ideal for those users who want to buy a large size tablet for note taking. On the other hand, if you want portability, iPad 10th generation will be ideal pick for you. If I had to choose between these two, I would have chosen iPad 10th generation. Also, the display quality, as you can see here side by side, I like the display of iPad 10th generation more, though Tab S9 FE Plus supports HDR content. I like the display of iPad 10th generation because it is more vibrant and more bright. But if you want a contrasting display and punchy colors, in that case you can choose Tab S9 FE Plus. The aspect ratio of Tab S9 FE Plus is 16:9, so you will feel more space while watching videos, but on the other hand, the aspect ratio of iPad 10th generation is 4:3, as a result of which movies actually look awkward, and you can see here a lot of space up and bottom is there, but these are no issues while watching videos. Equally, both the tablets are good enough. With Tab S9 FE Plus, you can expect casual multitasking. You can open as many as 8 to 10 apps in the background, and then you can have a very good performance from this tablet. On the other hand, multitasking on iPad 10th generation is excellent, as it comes with A14 Bionic chipset. It will handle all the tasks you throw at it. Also, video editing on iPad 10th generation is excellent, so this tablet is ideal for YouTube video creators or any other creators who wants to make videos on tablet. So in the conclusion, if you want bigger display with great multimedia experience, great speakers and good note taking experience with the S Pen, then you should buy Tab S9 FE Plus. And if you want performance and portability and also a very good multitasking and future software updates which will be stable, in that case you can buy iPad 10th generation. Let me know in the comment sections below which tablet you are going to buy during sales. I will make sure that the best deals you get during offers So stay subscribed and like the channel and hit the notification bell so that you get all the videos notification whenever I upload any video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.